Today we are at Best Buy and we're buying Instax's Mini 11 camera, and I've been wanting it for a long time. Yeah.
So, what camera you want, Ram?
This one.
Right.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We haven't posted for a long time and I don't know why, but this time we will be posting now from on. So if you don't know what we are going to be doing, obviously it's going to be an unboxing, and it's the Instax Mini 11 from Best Buy that we bought. That's the store we bought it from. Anyway, and
What's
my mom,
that?
Instax.
Yeah,
and the
keyboard camera.
This is a Polaroid camera, and since Staples didn't come out with the film.
Yes,
Yeah,
need to buy camera.
Yeah, and but they didn't have film, so we're just gonna do the unboxing and wait next week for the unboxing, and my mom is going to be helping me. So let's move on to the video. So there's a little thing here. You want to just pull it out.
Mali mo na eh. Sige na.
And then
You open it.
And then you should see your camera
There's battery.
with bubble wrap. Here it is. It's very cute and
What
small.
color is that?
Sky blue.
Yeah, sky blue.
And the thing that I like that it is made in the Philippines.
Oh, may I see? Oh,
Made in Philippines.
wait, I
Yeah.
can't get my other.
And then we're going to put the interesting part as last. So we're going to like see the stuff that came with the box. So here are some alkaline batteries, 2 batteries for the camera, and a wrist strap to so you can hold it. And then here are some shutter accessories. And if you want the shutter accessories to be permanent on the shutter button, like when you picture it, you can put, like that. So now let's move on to the camera. This is a new camera that I bought, so I'm gonna be very gentle. Here it is.
Wow.
It's small, and you can.
Are you sure this
you
is
can
made
view.
in the Philippines?
Yes, you can view it from here.
Wait.
You can view from here if you want to take a photo. It looks like you're in a VR game. Yeah, it's very cool. And here is a button where you can open the camera.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
And then, if you want selfie mode, you want to pull it up
Fujifilm
carefully.
Corporation.
And then there should be
Alas.
a selfie on here. So, yeah, there should be a selfie on here, but if you don't see it, then
Oh.
yeah.
Minato Tokyo, Japan. Country of
Yeah, and it's
origin.
also made in the Philippines.
Oh yeah, country
By
of
the way,
origin.
most of
Made in Philippines. Okay.
mistakes that people do is they touch this, and then your photo will come out blurry. Yeah. And if you want to go selfie mode, there's a little mirror here. And yeah. And the back is where you put the film.
Let me just open.
Here is the back.
But there's
And
no.
yeah, there's no
paper.
film. They didn't come with film. So let's
There's no paper.
see if we can
No
put
need film.
some accessories on it to make it look cooler.
cartridge, you mean?
Yes.
There's no cartridge. Next week we buy the cartridge.
So what the shutter accessories are, there is a white shutter accessory and a blue one. So let's try the white one out.
Oh, how?
Just like that.
Oh, paano yung ilagay rin?
It comes out easily because it's not permanent. If you want to put it permanent, there's some stickers here so you can make it permanent on there.
Ilubog na. You can push. Oh.
Yeah, it's not very good.
You can push it.
And this one's plastic-y, like silicone, so I think that's why it's coming out easily. And yeah, and this one's plastic. So you can take pictures just like that. But we're not gonna use them for now. So let's put these back because they fall off easily.
Put the battery. It's been 6 minutes already.
By the way, here are some instructions not to do. Yeah, not to do. Once you have put your film inside here, so pretend that I put film in here. You put film in here, you close it, and then you don't know what you're doing and you open it when the cover is off. So if you want to take the cover off, when you have to put the film in and then you have to press the shutter button and then the cover should go out. But if you don't know what you're doing and then you accidentally open this, then some of your photos might have been ruined, or like it might be like it might come out weird because like it hasn't been exposed to light yet, so that's not what to do. Yeah. And if you don't know what
battery.
yeah, but if you don't know how many films you have, you can check here, there. And when we get our film, we will make a part 2, and then we'll show you. So let me show you how to put the strap on. I've watched multiple videos of this, so this is how now. So if you want to put it on, you want to put one in and put it to the other side. So it's hard to do this. Wait. So I'm just gonna do this later, so it's hard to do it. We're gonna try to put our batteries in, and we're gonna take it out because it's just gonna waste the thing. So my mom's gonna put it in. It's like this.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to put the batteries in because they're way different than others.
There.
Just like that. And then once your batteries are put in, you want to close it just like that. And then when you turn on this, oh, what happened?
What do you mean?
You put it in wrong.
There's no light. Oh.
There isn't. By the way, if it works, there should be a light coming out from here. But if it doesn't work, then that means you must have put the batteries wrong. Yeah, it's like that.
I know, just like that. Hey. yan, Ram. Ako na.
They were struggling. Wait, you put it here? It's hard to put on the batteries. And in the videos, I compare it, and this one looks like it's different from the other cameras.
It's just like this.
Yes. Like, my camera looks way different than others.
Where's the power? Power. The power. What's this?
That means you put it wrong. They're both the same, so. Let's see the instructions.
Oh, dear. Oh.
Okay, so here. So, plus button. It goes. This one goes here. Wait.
Yeah, there.
Oh, we've been putting wrong the whole time. Now. Yes,
there.
it works. I'm so happy.
Instructions. No, I don't know how to put the battery.
By the way, if you try to take a picture when it has any film, this is what happens. It does not break, so that's okay. That's nothing bad. It just took a picture.
No, there's no film.
Yep, there's no film and nothing
Oh, no,
bad.
there's no cartridge.
Yeah, film and cartridge are the same, so you don't have to mix them up. So yeah, and if you don't know, I already mentioned this in the video, but if you want selfie mode on, you just pull it up gently,
Careful, Ram.
just like that, and then you should see here, there. So if you might pull it hard, you might break it. So yeah, don't do it too hard. Be gentle with the camera. Yes. So these
That's
are
okay.
one of my favorite products that I've ever had before. And I've been asking for this for a long time. So yeah.
Naku yan. Pabili. Pabili. Are you happy?
Thank you, Mama. Love
What?
you.
Okay. Love you too. Okay, bye na.
Okay, guys, we are going to end the video now. I hope you enjoyed the whole video, and I hope it was interesting to many people that are interested in Polaroid cameras. And if you haven't heard about it,
How much is this? This is a this is a $100.
yes.
Pero mayroon siyang insurance at saka
Yeah, and in case if the camera breaks, you can bring it back and they'll give you the full.
warranty, mayroong warranty.
They'll give
2
you
years warranty.
yeah, and they give you the full money back.
So kaya umabot siya lahat plus tax at saka yung insurance niya is bali 140. Umabot ng 140 bucks, $140. So, bye guys. I
Bye,
hope you
guys.
enjoy the video.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
And please
Yeah, please like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever we post another video for next week and an upcoming video tomorrow.
Kasi wala kaming upload kasi super busy ako. So, hindi kami nakakapag edit ng video. Saka, hindi kami nakakapag-post ng video. So, bali ngayon lang.
Yes, okay,
guys,
bye-bye guys.
Mag-subscribe na kayo sa aming channel. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye!
God bless!